Hi everyone, this video is to show you like how to update your article automatic. Okay, so sometimes the Google Scholar will automatically detect like some articles belong to you, so they will appear here. Like click update, then you can just click update here, and then here is some suggestion of your paper that belong to you. Okay, some is maybe replicate, but you can merge it up. So some is like recent one. Let's say like 2023 is the recent one, so it's haven't update to my profile yet. So we can add it like just click on add to profile, add to profile, and let's say this one is YSL is not me, so I can just click on don't add. Then this one is me. Then I just click on add to profile. Then I can just also click add this article to my profile, so I don't need to click add to profile one by one. So just click on add, confirm, then my article have been updated. Okay, and then here I suggest is I don't click on automatic update the list of article in my profile because sometimes they will recommend the other people work but it's not belong to you. So better we click on the second one, don't automatic update the profile, but send me an email to review the article is belong to me. So just go back to my article and I can choose on years. I think yeah, some is have been updated here now. Okay, the latest one. Okay, so that's all. Like how to update your article automatic using the Google Scholar function update here. Okay, thank you.